What's going on, everyone? Marty here from PieXclam.com, and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 26 of our 31 winter backpacking / camping tips in 31 days. It is the last tip that I'm going to give you guys on how to sleep warm at night. And today's tip is very simple. It's one of my favorite ones because, you know, I like eating a lot. But the tip is calories are your friend. Listen to me. Don't go on a winter backpacking trip on a diet trying to lose weight. Do that at home. When you go out in the mountain, you go out in the wilderness in the wintertime, backpacking, you're gonna exert so much energy, and trust me, you need calories to keep you warm. And my favorite way, or one of my favorite tip that I can give you guys, because I love eating, is eat a really large meal at night. Well, for dinner or before you go to bed at night. And it's gonna basically activate your entire digestive system and basically turn you into a furnace, and it's gonna help you stay warm all night as well. Now, here's the deal. Don't go out and have an indigestion because you ate too much because I told you to eat a big meal. Figure out what a big meal is for you, but for me, and I've been doing this for a while, I know it's gonna sound like a lot, but it's about 1,200 calories that I like to eat at night before I go to bed, and I try to push back when I eat because it doesn't stop me from sleeping well, but I try to eat later than I would usually to really basically eat, fill myself up, and then go to bed, and I just sleep really warm. Now, not everybody can just eat that much calories and go to sleep as well. That's fine. Figure it out for yourself, but trust me, eating a large meal at night will help you tremendously sleep warm at night, and also it's going to metabolize into energy for your next day exertion or for your next day events where you're going to be hiking some more. And it's a lot better to have that big carb meal the night before than the morning of, because your body has already had the time to store it into energy and metabolize it. So that's today's tip on how to sleep warm. It is the last one of that little theme basically throughout this series. Hopefully you found some value into this video. If you haven't gone to my website yet, on the website you can subscribe for my newsletter, and I would encourage everyone to do that because on there I basically send out exclusive content to my newsletter subscribers. So go ahead and join the adventure there as well. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe, like, do all those fancy things, comment, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 27. Peace.